Alright, what's up everybody? I don't know if I updated you guys on yesterday's vlog with our clients that are buying a multi-million-dollar home or shopping for a multi-million-dollar home. Let me just show you this real quick. Alright, a couple things. Update on yesterday's vlog. We had a client from California. We showed him a bunch of properties. I think out of 6 properties, 2 of them they did like. We went back last night. I wrote up 2 offers, but then another property popped up, and this morning we went out, we took a look at the property, and they fell in love with the home. Single story. This thing had everything that they wanted, right? Beautiful big backyard, and we basically just wrote an all-cash offer at this point because the way that the market is going, that, you know, when you do the financing, especially homes at this size, look at this, all these luxury homes in this community here. What I've noticed is that they want you to waive the contingencies and all that stuff, and when you are competing, especially in a tough market like this, what tends to happen is you may lose the opportunity of getting your offer accepted. So we decided to pay cash, and the cash was at like 2.2 million. However, the good news is that we submitted it right away and we got our offer accepted, which is unbelievable. So I'm kind of stoked about that. They're very happy. So now I'm here. Where am I at? I forgot the name of the community I'm at. Cannon Gate over here on Sahara, right just near Summerlin. These are like multi-million-dollar homes. We're about to do a video tour for a client. This is a luxury neighborhood. So what's crazy about this market, the other day I had a deal fall apart. Like $25,000, right? Fell apart. I understand the seller's position, I understand my buyer's position too as well, but it's just unfortunately sometimes like that. You know, real estate transactions do fall apart. I don't like to lose. Every deal that I get into escrow, I always like to close out the deal. Like, always find a way. Trust me, I was pulling everything out of hat, but it didn't work out. But look at these guys renovating all these luxury homes over here. Anyway, it's just funny how the world works. You win some, you lose some. But check this out. We lost out on that deal, but we're still back into the marketplace. However, we got this one accepted. So that's the good news, right? But, you know, when it comes to real estate, it's all about the hard work, the grind. Obviously, you need a bunch of leads. Here's the thing that I want to share with you. One of the best things I've ever spent money on, right, was actually hiring a personal assistant. I got the transaction coordinator. You know, I got, you know, Joey as far as business operations. He handles all that. But a personal assistant, it was like the #1 game changer for me. Now, let me make sure I'm at the right address. I've done this a couple times already. Yeah, see? Look at this. I'm at the wrong address. This address is supposed to be 9616. I'm supposed to go over there. I'm definitely at the wrong address. Alright, couple things. Had a hard time coming into the home with the keys. Now the music is on. But oh my god, look how beautiful this thing is. This home has a lot of potential here. Oh my gosh, look at this. That's all I can say. Oh my gosh. Let's go up here for a second. There's a rock here. So this is just like a little waterfall that... Wow. It's gorgeous, right? Oh, you got a jacuzzi or a little grotto on this side? Look at that. Nice community. All right, so what we're doing here today is I have a client that's interested in this property, so we're doing a full video tour. We might as well kill two birds with one stone. I'm gonna kind of show you guys around, and also if you guys want to see the full video tour of this, I'm gonna have a link in the description below. I gotta figure out how to turn up this music because this thing is so loud. All right, this home is very outdated. However, the cabinets are in great shape. You got Viking appliances, and look at this, you got your built-in. And I love the granite. However, this is like the old school type of home. Love the plaster texture, by the way. It's old school, it's outdated. However, like I mentioned before, you do have a lot of investors coming in here, just like next door, refurbishing everything. Look at that, these are actually solid doors. The problem is that these are quality doors, but then you gotta get rid of them. Wow, look at all this marble. Whew. Old school intercom system. You know, this would be good for the Pkwy brothers right here. That's for sure. I can see them flipping a home like this. This definitely needs a lot of work. All right, let's go upstairs. So now that I do these video home tours, I kill 3 birds with 1 stone. I'll take a bunch of pictures for the Instagram. I will do TikTok videos. Something's in this door. I can't get into this door. Interesting. This can't be the primary. I'll show you guys this real quick, because this is just kind of cool. Look at that. All right, we just got done wrapping up this video home tour. Home's not that bad. I think at 1.5 million, putting 300. Actually, I'm gonna say about 350 to 400. I think you turn this thing around for about 2.3 to 2.5 million. But wrapping this thing up, we're gonna head over to Tri-Point, meeting up with a client that just flew in. He's a doctor, so I want to give him a quick shout out. So he's probably watching this anyway. We got a couple properties that we're gonna go tour up in Summerlin. I think we're gonna take a look at the Overlook, Kings Canyon, Carmel Hills, or Caramel Hills, I think it's called, from Pulte. I forget the name of the subdivision. I know I shouldn't be, but another one, Arcadia Ridge. So we're gonna go take a look at those. And hopefully we can finish up today. Today has been a very prosperous day. Definitely gonna go to the gym today. So also one thing I do want to mention, I don't know if I told you guys this or not, but I think this is very important, especially if you are growing your business as a real estate agent. We are creating a bunch of courses for agents that want to make 7 figures. I'm gonna show you exactly what I want to do. Let me give you a prime example. It's, you know, we just hired an assistant, York. You guys seen him. And a lot of you guys love him, so that's really cool. Show him some love and support. He's going to grow with the team. But one of the biggest challenges that I had was, should I spend money to hire a personal assistant, right, to help me run my business? I tell you what, this is the best thing I ever did. It allows me to grow faster, and I wish I would have done this a lot earlier. So if, you know, you're growing your business and you're starting to get stagnant, but you want to take it to the next level, right? You want to make more money, you know, you definitely need to hire an assistant. You know, I did hire a transaction coordinator. My wife was also my personal assistant at one point, but you know, she was so backed up in work. You know, we hired Joey as a operations manager. He runs the team with all the other agents, so that helps out. But you know, I can only do so much, and I have so many creative ideas that I have and I want to implement, but it's so hard when you're also selling real estate too as well. So like I said, you know, once I hired him, I had to take that leap of faith. But, you know, today I really had the epiphany of, you know, it was the best thing I ever did. But also another thing that you have to do is really take care of your team and treat them right and respect them too as well. And, you know, as you grow, you all got to grow together. That's one thing I've learned. So other than that, all I know is I am blessed and I'm very happy and I'm very thankful. So, all right, let's get out of here, guys. Hey, how you guys doing? You guys beat me to it, huh? All right, guys, so now we are here in Summerlin, and we're gonna go take a look at this property in Tri-Point with the clients.
Chakits, how are you?
Good, how's everything going? All right, so now we're here. We gotta get registered, get our clients registered. What we do is we just do it online. Want to say what's up to everybody?
Hi, everybody.
Yeah, just put them on blast. See, that's what we do. You know what? These girls over here, they really do take care of me, so I love these people. So one thing about this business, it's all about how to build the relationships with these agents, because why? I bring them business. That's what we do. But here we go. Look at this right here. Plan 1, 2,800 square feet. Now, I've done multiple videos of this. Haven't came by probably, when's the last time I've been here? Maybe about 2 months. We literally just got one in contract too, though. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I am currently rendering a video. Now, on the video home tours, if you guys don't know, I always do the editing myself. It's basically plug and play. It's very simple. I've been doing it for so long. As far as all the other editing stuff, Rudy does all that. But now, I am going to get ready to go to the gym. But before I get ready to go to the gym, I'm going to cook some food. So what I'm going to eat today is basically bok choy, if you guys know what bok choy is. I'm trying to eat more vegetables than anything. I actually really do like vegetables. So on today's meal, I'm going to do, let me show you here. Maybe I'll do a cooking vlog, I don't know. So Jessica went to the store for me today. We got some bok choy. You guys don't know what this is. Alright. And some onions, not onions, but garlic. I like to add some garlic here. And some jalapenos, that's right. So for today's meal, what I'm going to do is take some of this hot oil here, chili oil, and I'm going to fry up some Spam. I'm going to do something a little bit different. Spam. I know a lot of you guys don't like Spam, but you know, especially when you're from Hawaii, everybody loves Spam. Let's see if we got some Spam here. Where's my Spam? Look at this. Whole container of like Spam. Look at that. Okay. So, what we're going to do, cook some Spam, chop this up, throw some jalapenos, some garlic. Yes! This is going to be real good. We're going to give this a shot. Alright, so now what I'm doing here is I have my food prep. I got my Spam, I got the jalapenos, and I got the garlic that's smashed. The reason why I smashed it so that way, you know, you can get the flavors. Got the oil ready to go, and the bok choy. Once I chopped this thing up, I basically had rinsed it out, and a good technique here is to actually shake out all the water, because what you want to do is make sure it's dry as possible, so that way when you do fry it. So now let's get this pan heated. We're going to go ahead and add some of this oil here. Look at that. Get that nice and hot. I'm going to go ahead and take my garlic. Just throw it all in there. Look at that. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to get some flavor going into this oil here, right? Ooh, look at that. Woo! Get that all in there. Now the next thing, while you get this in here, you're seasoning this oil with that garlic. We're going to go ahead and get some of this Spam. That's right. Throw the Spam in here because we want to fry up this Spam. It's kind of hard to do with this one hand, but there we go. We're going to flavor up the Spam too. Alright, so you want to cook this until the Spam, you have it a little bit crispy on one side here, and where you can see the garlic now has all that caramel to it, right? So now what we're going to do is we're going to add some of this jalapenos. We're going to get that spice into it real quick. There you go. Mix it up. Look at that. Now the next step. Bok choy. Here we go. Get that bok choy in there like that. Stuff is definitely gonna make you cough here. That we didn't have smell TV because this thing is smelling good. Now the next secret ingredient is this right here. This is the Golden Mountain seasoning sauce. This is it right here. This is the best soy sauce on planet Earth. Add some of this right here. There you go. You hear that? Here we go. Wow. Now that looks delicious. Now we gotta try one. Look at this. You got the bok choy, the Spam. Ooh. That's really, really good. Whew. I'll tell you what, 5 miles is not easy. The last half mile, quarter mile is the hardest part, because as you get closer, it becomes a mental game. But this is like a life learning lesson for me. Just like, you know, when I sell real estate, constant work, I do the grinding. Days where I just don't want to make calls, I'm still grinding it out, because here's the thing. Once you finish it out, it's the best feeling ever. Whew. Alright guys, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I really wish you guys nothing but the best. Be blessed, folks. I'm out. Peace.